very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is devotion, the supreme force that resonates with the cosmos. Ladies and gentlemen, devotion is more than an emotion. It is a force, a channel through which the deepest energies of the human spirit are harnessed and directed. It transcends mere faith or discipline, becoming an unbreakable bond between the individual and their purpose, their actions, and even the cosmic order itself. In a universe governed by intricate interdependencies, devotion serves as the bridge between human intent and cosmic response. When aligned with sincerity, truth, and discipline, it has the power to shape outcomes, resolve dilemmas, and even make the cosmos yield. At its core, the devotion is the wholehearted investment of heart and soul into a purposeful act, be it physical, mental, emotional, aspirational, or spiritual. It is not bound by form, but rather by intent and intensity. It manifests as an unwavering emotional connection, a bond of understanding, faith, and truthfulness, creating an energy field that resonates beyond the individual. The cosmos itself is not a passive entity. It is a grand, intelligent system designed by the master creator to watch, listen, and respond. Its vastness is not random but purposeful, structured with an inherent balance that sustains life and evolution. This master design, though self-regulating, acknowledges the need for intervention, an avenue through which humanity, faced with limitations, can seek support beyond its individual capacity. Devotion is that avenue, a conduit between human consciousness and cosmic intelligence. The human mind is not merely a processor of thoughts. It is an energy center, a generator of forces capable of influencing reality. Scientific studies on brain entrainment suggest that the brain, when focused with deep emotional and mental alignment, can generate ripples of energy that extend beyond the physical realm. Ancient wisdom too speaks of this, of prayers that bring rain, of meditations that unlock insights, of unwavering commitment that turns impossibilities into realities. Devotion, when pure and concentrated, transforms human potential into an unstoppable force. When directed with precision, the energy created by devotion resonates within the cosmic fabric, setting in motion a sequence of responses. This is not mysticism, but a universal principle Just as gravitational forces respond to mass or magnetism aligns with polarity, so too does devotion align with the cosmos. The greatest scientific minds and spiritual sages alike have acknowledged this unseen yet undeniable force that influences the outcomes of life. What's the way forward? To harness the true power of devotion, one must cultivate discipline, sincerity, and clarity of purpose. Whether it is devotion to duty, to knowledge, to a cause, or to the higher forces of the universe, it must be nurtured with unwavering commitment. The human mind, when trained in focused devotion, has the ability to shift energies, create solutions, and attract cosmic assistance. The secret lies in faith fortified with action, persistence guided by truth, and an understanding that the universe is responsive to pure intent. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmos is not distant. It is an extension of human existence, interconnected and alive. When devotion reaches its highest form, untainted by doubt, unshaken by obstacles, the universe listens. It yields, offering solutions and pathways that seem miraculous but are simply the natural response of a grand system designed to sustain and support. As the Bhagavad Gita affirms, to those who are devoted to me with a single-minded focus, I provide what they lack and preserve what they have. When devotion is pure and unwavering, the cosmic intelligence ensures that every need is met and every journey finds its way. Through the power of devotion, humanity holds the key to unlocking boundless potential, shaping reality and aligning with the infinite wisdom of the cosmos. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.